There's that slip, and it's going to race past again.
He's gone for it. Freed his hands to pick up form. Oh, inside edge, but that's going to be 4 runs.
And Kohli realises this is probably his last go at him and gets enough on it. A maximum for Virat.
He goes big. It clears long on. Here it comes. Number 47 for Virat Kohli. Pumps his fist into the air. He loves batting on this ground, and it's given him another 100.
Oh, interesting. Something you don't see Virat Kohli doing. He's having a laugh. He's having fun. Yeah, we watched 3 hits from the Spider camp, and what a sight that was. And what a finish this is. What a finish.